Aerospace giant Boeing has been awarded a $1.1 billion contract to extend seeker production for the U.S. Army's Patriot Advanced Capability 3 (PAC-3) missile into 2026. Per the contract, the American planemaker will produce approximately 1,500 additional seekers in Huntsville, Alabama, as a subcontractor to Lockheed Martin beginning in 2023. The Boeing-built seeker provides guidance data to the PAC-3 interceptor, which has protected warfighters, allies and international partners around the world from a variety of air and missile threats for 20 years and counting. Our battle-tested, precision seeker is the product of decades of world-class engineering, research and development. Of course, none of this would be possible without the dedication and hard work of our entire PAC-3 team, said Robert Green, director of Boeing Integrated Air and Missile Defense. As air and missile defense needs increase worldwide, we're proud to be entrusted with continuing to deliver this critical capability to protect those who serve in uniform. PAC-3 is the Army's premier guided air and missile defense (AMD) system that provides highly reactive hit-to-kill capability in both range and altitude while operating in all environments. The Phased Array Tracking Radar to intercept of target Patriot missile protects ground forces and critical assets at all echelons from advanced aircraft, cruise missiles and tactical ballistic missiles (TBM).